exactly in the middle, exactly like this little. But from here is a magnificent view of the golden
Here we are on the Temple Mount. The Temple Mount was the place where the Jewish temples were built. The first temple was built by Solomon. It was destroyed by the Babylonians in 584. It was rebuilt by Ezra in about 550, and it was destroyed during the Maccabean period by the Greeks. Antiochus Epiphanes, who was a descendant of Alexander the Great, ran swine through the Holy of Holies. Ever since then, the Greeks and the Jews weren't on pretty good terms. And then, of course, Herod built the temple. It was destroyed in 70 AD, and there wasn't one stone left upon another, and it was in ruins and rubble. Even during the Crusader period, it was not rebuilt. And then came the Muslims, who controlled the territory from about 600. They built this in 691 to the Prophet Muhammad. You know what? It's been here ever since. And in succeeding generations, the Muslims controlled the territory in the end of World War I under the Ottomans. But the Jews did not dare rebuild because the Palestinians would rise up and cause a great war. But this building is now very controversial because the Jews want to build a fourth temple, and the Muslims say they own it, and it's under the auspices of Mecca, and it's a big controversy.